Alright guys, here's all you need to get this installed. The instructions, the jig, obviously the charger, a cleaning agent, and a rag. And also a 1/4-inch drill bit with a drill motor. Here's the charger exactly how you receive it from us. Find the spot that's roughly 8 1/4 inches tall by 3.5 inches wide and get this thing installed on your boat. Here's the jig that is going to help you with alignment. With the jig installed, you know how much room you have for the charger. Place your charger where you're going to be installing it on your console. We're using this live well lid to simulate installing it onto your boat's console. Now that you know where you're going to install your charger, remove it and drill your 1/4 inch hole into the console. Wipe away all of the loose debris, and with a cleaning agent that will not damage your gel coat, clean the area where you are installing your charger to allow the 3M double-sided tape to adhere to the surface. Feed your charger's cable through the 1/4 inch hole that you previously drilled. Make sure your charger is aligned in exactly where you want it to be installed. Remove the red stripe from the double-sided 3M tape and install onto your console. When you do the installation, make sure you apply even pressure amongst the top, bottom, left, and right sides. Wait 10 minutes to allow the double-sided 3M tape to bond to the surface. Now it's time to connect to your boat's electrical circuit. The black wire connects to your ground, and your red wire connects to a 12 volt or 24 volt power source. Make sure you use the correct circuit protection in accordance with your user manual. Clean up all the crap from the mess you made so you can get that beautiful shine off that black gloss acrylic. Finally, take your boat out, have some fun, and charge your phone without the worry of it being damaged. And don't forget to check us out online for anything that you need for your truck, your boat, or maybe even your RV. If it's acrylic, we've got you covered.